Habitat for Humanity Niagara have just launched a volunteer recruitment campaign. We visited Habitat's ReStore location in Grimsby to find out more.
This is something we really wanted to target specifically for the new year, to sort of kick off a New Year's campaign themed around getting our volunteers active and getting some more volunteers into our ReStore and salvage program. So we wanted it to be a bit bigger this year, a little bit more impact.
If you were to create a checklist for a volunteer, what kind of criteria would you be looking for?
Well, to be honest, this campaign, we're really trying to focus on those individuals who would be, active, want to help out in our warehouse and our salvage program specifically. But we're definitely not turning away any volunteers. We have a diverse crew of volunteers here at Habitat Niagara. We have all ages. We have 16-year-olds, co-op students, university students, and all of the skill sets. And it's something we really value at Habitat Niagara, is all of those skill sets and abilities, and we're able to put people's talents and skills, whatever they may be, to good use in one of our programs.
Volunteer duties include assisting shoppers on the floor, testing donated items, and stocking the shelves. All Niagara ReStores are open 6 days a week, so you are able to volunteer around your schedule while staying active and making a difference in the community.
With Habitat Volunteer, you're very active in what's going on. I mean, I work on electrical things, but also I get called away to help take donations out of vehicles or move furniture or whatever. Like, we always try to help each other, and it's very much a helpful kind of environment.
I come in because I enjoy the work. Gives me something to do, get out of the house as well. I've been here probably just before they opened. I helped put the place together. I come because I enjoy the socialization. I am also learning quite a bit.
I've been retired since '06, and I've been volunteering forever. And it's something that you can do. You don't need a prerequisite. You just need to have the heart to give back.
Every purchase at the ReStore helps to support Habitat's mission to build more homes, something that ReStore volunteers are all too happy to pass along in their interactions with customers.
In order to get the word out, you have to get the word out. And people, and it's a cheap way of doing it when people come in here, like Frank today. He's just a guy off the street who comes in and he likes what we do. But he didn't realize where those funds go to. Habitat for Humanity, like, wait a minute, this is the ReStore part of it. We get funds from people like you who buy my nuts and bolts and invest it. He didn't realize that. Yeah. Now he does.
The main thrust is to support the families that are going to move into homes, and the ReStore helps do that. It all contributes to building homes for families that very much need affordable housing, and particularly throughout Canada, that's a key issue right now.
We're really just excited to do this campaign to really drive it home that you can have impact and stay active and join an awesome team of people really making a difference. And it's just so nice to work out your body and your heart and support Habitat Niagara.
More information on volunteering at one of the ReStore locations or the kitchen salvage team can be found online. Hit the volunteer tab at habitatniagara.ca. In Niagara, you're watching The Source on your TV.